Hi and welcome to my top days out. I'm at the Weald and Downland Living Museum, Singleton, West Sussex, to specifically come and see the Titchfield Market Hall, just a couple of weeks after completing an extensive renovation. Let's take an in-depth look at this historic building. I have a particular interest in this building because it comes from my home village. Using dendrochronology, it has been established that the building dates back to the 16th century. It was originally sited in the village square, but was moved in the mid-19th century behind the Queen's Head Public House. In 1971, it was dismantled, brought here to the Living Museum and erected again in 1974. Almost 50 years later, it has now had an extensive renovation. Thank you for watching. Check out the links in the description below to see more of the life in the medieval village of Titchfield. There's not many villages that can boast about being the venue for a royal wedding. Titchfield Abbey was the venue for the wedding of Henry VI. Please subscribe to my channel to see more of my top days out.